Today, we will talk about NFT flipping, turning digital assets into quick cash. The world of digital art and collectibles has been revolutionized by the introduction of non-fungible tokens, NFTs. There are hundreds of promising NFT startups on the crypto market these days. If you are an artist, collector, or investor, the NFT landscape provides you with numerous opportunities to generate income. If you've been wondering how to make money with NFTs, you've come to the right place. From creating and selling your own digital art to investing in virtual land, these tips are designed to help you navigate the NFT market and potentially generate significant returns. This comprehensive exploration delves into the intricacies of NFT flipping, unraveling the methods, risks, and rewards associated with turning digital assets into quick cash. Decoding the NFT phenomenon. Non-fungible tokens, often built on blockchain technology, represent unique digital assets. These assets, ranging from digital art and music to virtual real estate and collectibles, are indivisible and distinguishable from one another. The scarcity, ownership transparency, and verifiable authenticity imbued by blockchain have propelled the NFT market into a multi-billion-dollar industry, attracting creators, investors, and enthusiasts alike. The essence of NFT flipping. NFT flipping involves the strategic acquisition and subsequent resale of digital assets for profit. Unlike traditional investment vehicles, NFT flipping capitalizes on the inherent volatility and trends within the digital art and collectibles market. Successful NFT flippers leverage a combination of market knowledge, timing, and a keen eye for emerging trends to acquire assets that can be resold at a higher value. Navigating NFT marketplaces. NFTs are primarily traded on digital marketplaces, with platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, and Mintable serving as hubs for buyers and sellers. Each marketplace has its unique features, community dynamics, and token standards such as ERC 721 and ERC 1155, influencing the types of assets available and the mechanisms of trading. Understanding the nuances of these platforms is crucial for effective NFT flipping. Identifying profitable NFTs. Successful NFT flipping hinges on the ability to identify digital assets with the potential for appreciation. Factors influencing an NFT's value include the reputation of the creator, the uniqueness and scarcity of the content, collaborations with well-known artists or brands, and broader market trends. Analyzing historical sales data, social media trends, and attending virtual events can provide insights into emerging opportunities. The art of timing in NFT flipping. Timing is a critical element in the NFT flipping strategy. Flippers aim to acquire assets during periods of low demand or before they gain mainstream attention, and then strategically sell them when demand peaks. Staying attuned to market sentiment, upcoming releases, and the overall cultural zeitgeist allows flippers to capitalize on favorable market conditions. Risk mitigation and due diligence. While NFT flipping presents lucrative opportunities, it is not without risks. Market volatility, sudden shifts in trends, and the speculative nature of digital assets can result in losses. Mitigating risks involves conducting thorough due diligence, diversifying NFT portfolios, and staying informed about legal considerations, such as intellectual property rights and licensing agreements. Creating a brand as an NFT flipper. Building a brand within the NFT community is a strategic move for long-term success. NFT flippers who establish credibility, engage with the community, and consistently curate and promote valuable assets enhance their visibility and attract potential buyers. A positive reputation within the community can lead to repeat business and collaborations with prominent creators. Technological and ethical considerations. NFT flipping is intricately tied to blockchain technology, which introduces both technological and ethical considerations. Understanding the environmental impact of blockchain networks, the gas fees associated with transactions, and the ethical implications of certain projects is essential for responsible engagement in the NFT space. Technological literacy and ethical decision-making contribute to the overall sustainability of NFT flipping practices. Success stories in NFT flipping. Examining real-world success stories provides valuable insights into the strategies and tactics that can lead to profitable NFT flipping. From early adopters who identified hidden gems to strategic collaborations that amplified asset value, these stories showcase the diverse paths individuals have taken to thrive in the dynamic world of NFTs. The future of NFT flipping. As the NFT landscape continues to evolve, the future of NFT flipping holds exciting possibilities. Innovations such as fractionalized ownership, augmented reality integrations, and metaverse developments are poised to reshape the NFT market. NFT flippers who adapt to these changes and leverage emerging technologies may find new avenues for turning digital assets into quick cash. NFT flipping stands at the intersection of creativity, technology, and financial opportunity. As the digital art and collectibles market matures, the potential for turning digital assets into quick cash through strategic acquisition and resale becomes increasingly apparent. However, success in NFT flipping demands a nuanced understanding of market dynamics, a keen eye for emerging trends, and a commitment to responsible and ethical engagement within the vibrant NFT community. As the digital economy continues to unfold, NFT flipping remains a compelling avenue for those seeking to navigate the ever-expanding frontier of the blockchain-powered art and collectibles market. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.